In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download a difficult game about climbing. So if you have ever played a game named as Getting Over It, it's mostly like that, but in this one, the character in this game uses his hands instead of a stick. So in this game, you use only your mouse or gamepad to control your climber's hands to pull yourself up to an enormous mountain full of challenges and surprises. Now if we talk about how you can download this game, for this first of all you're going to open any browser in your system and then you're going to type into the search box for Steam. Once you search for Steam, you're going to click on the first link. And once you do so, you're going to wait until the website of Steam has been loaded up, and once it is, you will be able to see here a search box on the right side of your screen. So you're going to type in here the name of your game in this search box, which is a difficult game about climbing. And once you search for that, you should be able to see here your game. So you're going to click on that. And once you are here, you're going to scroll down until you find the option Add to Cart. Once you click on Add to Cart, you're going to click on View My Cart. If you have any unnecessary items in your cart, you can just click on Remove on them to remove them. Otherwise, you can click on Continue to Payment. Then if you're not already signed in into your Steam account, they will firstly ask you to enter your login information. Otherwise, you will be redirected to the payment method page. Here, first of all, you need to select the payment method that how you want to pay, and then you can just type in here your payment information. Once you have done that, you can scroll down and then click on Continue. And once you click on Continue, this game will be purchased and added to your library. So to go into your library, you're going to scroll up back and then click on Steam logo on the upper side of your screen to go back to home page of Steam. Now you're going to move your cursor over your username, and from the drop down menu, you're going to click on Games. Once you click on Games, you should be able to see here all of your games over here. So you can just scroll down until you find the game, a difficult game about climbing. And once you see that game, you can click on Download. And once you do so, the game will start downloading into your device.